Hello, my name is Demetrius Clark and I attend Colorado Christian University. Today's topic is cloud computing. The cloud services I'm discussing today are IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. All three have various benefits, but which one fits your needs? The first cloud service discussed today is SaaS. Software as a service is a software distribution model that allows a vendor or service provider to host applications and make them available to customers over a network. The traditional or old school software distribution required physical software installation on your computer. This service is most used by end users like you and me. A few examples of SaaS are Microsoft Office 365, Google Apps, Dropbox, and Slack. The second cloud service is PaaS. Platform as a service provides a platform and environment allowing developers to build applications and services over the internet. PaaS hosts the hardware and software on its own infrastructure and frees developers from having to install in-house hardware and software to develop or run a new application. PaaS services is best served for software developers. Examples of PaaS are Google App Engine and Windows Azure. The last cloud service is IaaS. Infrastructure as a service provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. It hosts hardware, applications, and servers. IaaS handles tasks like system maintenance, backup, and resiliency planning. Think of IaaS as an instant computing service provisioned and managed over the internet. IaaS is best for infrastructure architects. Examples of IaaS are IBM Cloud, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insight on what services will work best for you. Thank you for your time.